Hello everybody and welcome back to Drink With Me. So today I'm doing a bit of a different one. I'm cooking dinner, so I thought I would grab something that I would normally drink while I'm cooking. I don't know about you guys, but I like to have a beer or something just beside me while I'm cooking, just to sip away before the meal. Normally it's just whatever's in the fridge. Today I found one that it was a bit interesting when I first had it, and I thought I'd share it with you guys and see what you thought. So today's beer is Hot Craft Bun Ale, I don't know, by Tinnies. So I've done a Tinnies review before when they did their blood orange one with Moondog. I really enjoy Tinnies. They're really nice, decent price, easy to drink. They got a really nice pale ale. But today we're talking about this one, Hot Craft Bun Ale. So I am assuming it's their Easter-inspired one. So it says it has a few of those spices through it, like cinnamon and that sort of thing. It is 4.6% and it's 1.4 standard drinks in this tin, which is 375 ml. Alright, enough of that. Let's pour this out and see. Ooh, you can already smell some of that spice. The cinnamon is quite strong in it, which is really, really nice. I like cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, then, you know, there you go. It's a bit of a darker colour, and that was just a shocking pour. Look at that head. That was terrible. It's a bit of a darker colour ale. It's got an amber look about it. It might be those spices in it, but I don't know. We'll go. You can smell the spices coming off as soon as you pour it out. Sorry, still cooking. There's some really nice aroma coming off that. Let's give it a go. So it starts off with just a really nice ale. It's got a really nice mouthwash, very nice taste, and then that aftertaste, you can taste those spices. It's not overpowering and it doesn't put me off. It's a really, really subtle spice. It's not like eating a hot cross bun or anything like that. That's really, really nice. I highly recommend this one. I've actually had it before, so I knew what I was getting myself into with this one. But I really like it. It's very nice. So that subtle spice flavor that comes across, it's very subtle, but it's just nice. Finishes off the palate really, really nicely. That's really, really good. Highly recommend this one. Grab yourself some if you can find it. I don't know if it's out and about. It was an Easter thing, so they might stop making it. But yeah, Tinnies Hot Craft Bun Ale. Pick yourself up some of that. 100% amazing. Great little beer. It's good if you're out and about as well, if you're going to a barbecue, whatever. The good thing now is that it's summertime. You can have a barbie with friends, grab some, take it. Tinnies is always a nice choice. Recommend that one. None of this is sponsored, by the way. Just want to throw that out there. None of my Drink With Me is sponsored yet. But give it a crack. Now, in saying that, here in New South Wales, all the lockdown laws have just ended and things are allowed to open up again. So in a few episodes' time, I'm going to grab some mates and we're going to go hit up a brewery. There's a few around, so I'll probably do a tour of a couple of them and see how we go with them. A few micro breweries. I know Four Pines is just down the road from me, so I might see how we go with that one. They've got a lot of nice ones on tap there. And it'd be nice to sit in the booth and have an actual beer from a tap, not out of a can or bottle. Alright guys, nice short one for you. Hot Craft Bun Ale by Tinnies, recommended. 4 out of 5, easy to drink, not too heavy, nice little light beer for you. It's still a, what is it, like 4.6%, so it's still full strength. 1.4 standard drinks. Have a few of them, you'll be right. Easy to drink, not too overpowering with the spice, and I recommend it. Alright guys, cheers, and I'll catch you on the next one.